Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are Saturday, October 2nd, 2021. And late yesterday, Microsoft issued an update for Microsoft Edge. If you're a user of Microsoft Edge browser, then update or make sure that you check out if it is up to date. Should do it automatically normally, but what it's all about? Well, we had, of course, Google Chrome major updates for 0-day flaws that are actually within the browser. Well, because Microsoft Edge shares the same Chromium base, and that Chromium, of course, was affected, well, now it's Microsoft Edge that has a update. So your official version as of today, October 2nd, should be version 94.0.992.38. And this is the latest version. It fixes, like I said, security flaws, important security flaws that are already exploited by bad guys. And since the browser itself is, your first line of defense because you go to the web, well, it's important to have this fixed. So Microsoft Edge browser is being updated for these security flaws. And technically, it pretty much always happens in the same way. If you see a Google Chrome update here on the channel, then I talk about how it fixes security flaws. Well, don't be surprised that you will also have a Microsoft Edge update most of the time a few days later. And the reason is simple. They're the same base underneath. They're using the open source Chromium project. So check it out. Once again, simply go to the upper right corner of Edge in the three horizontal dots. Help and feedback and about Microsoft Edge to make sure that you are at the latest version, which is 94.0.992.38. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.